Hi everyone, it's Yanis here, and in this video we will explore what is zero risk bias. We will look at what it is, how does it work, why it's important, and I'll also share some examples to illustrate it. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. Zero risk bias is a tendency to prefer a complete elimination of the risk in a subpart, even when alternative options produce greater overall reduction in risk. Let's say that you're building your website and you want to make sure it's 100% safe, so you get the developer to set up all possible protections. And while you make it super safe, there is a bigger risk of not completing the website completely, as a lot of your resources went to making it safe. Zero risk bias tends to eliminate risk completely in one area, but that can come at a higher cost. It's almost like a part of a perfectionist mindset that is telling you that this thing and that thing has to be absolutely perfect. The problem with zero risk bias is that it focuses only on one perspective while ignoring the bigger picture. When you're building your business, you can't just focus on one individual element like product, sales, marketing, etc. For the business to function, you need to have all components working at the same time to serve your customers. To avoid zero risk bias and make some progress in your life, here are some strategies that you can practice. First, look at the bigger picture. Don't just look at one individual element when trying to reduce risk, but instead look at the general picture. Second, evaluate the investment. Sometimes it doesn't make sense to try to achieve zero risk, so be mindful about it. Third, keep it simple. If you want to make progress in your life, then the key is to keep it simple. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you a quick summary of what zero risk bias is and what role it plays in our life. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message.